Welcome to the Craft Beer Review. If you like talking beer, be sure to subscribe and leave me a comment to let me know what you think. Today I'm trying another Jersey beer. This one is out of Howell, New Jersey. This is Double Dutch Double IPA from Seven Sons Brewing. Let's see. They describe it as lush, tropical, and citrusy with notes of pineapple, tangerine, and pine. Double dry hopped with Azacca, Simcoe, and Tahiki hops. All right, well, I'm guessing this is going to be a very fruity beer. Azacca and Simcoe both have fruit characteristics. Anything from tropical to citrus, as they say in their notes there. I'm not familiar with Tahiki hops, though. Let's see, this is 8% alcohol by volume in a 1-pint can. Brewed and bottled by Seven Sons Brewing out of Howell, New Jersey. All right, let's take a look. I've been looking forward to trying this one. Been having a lot of malty beer of late, and I was craving some hops. So hopefully this one will hit the spot. All right. Look at that. That is nice and hazy. Deep gold color. Big head on top. Nice fluffy white head. Look at that. All right. Let's check out their website real quick here. Let's see. Lush, tropical, and citrusy. Pineapple, tangerine, white grape, pine, mango. Brewed with American-grown barley, wheat, and oats. Double dry hopped with Azacca, Simcoe, and Tahiki. All right. Barley, wheat, oats, typical grains for a East Coast IPA. The hop combination they use, runs the gamut for fruits, and from tropical, citrus, stone fruits. Let's see. Untapped. This beer has a little over 400 reviews on Untapped, and it gets a 3.85. Nothing on Beer Advocate. Rate Beer has one review at 3.7. Not bad for a small local brewery. All right, let's check it out. Definitely getting the hop aroma right off the bat, but not too intense. It's medium intensity. Not nearly as intense as other double IPAs. Smells good. Definitely getting citrus, mango. A little bit of pine. Oh, smells good. All right, cheers. One more. All right. That hits the spot. I tell you what. This beer has what? I think this beer had 28 IBUs. Let's see here. Yep. 8% ABV, 28 IBUs. This is a nice, well-balanced double IPA, full-bodied, but it's definitely got a little bite to the finish with all the hop character. So it may not be bitter, but it's definitely got a little bit of harshness in the finish from all the hop character. Not too much, though. I would say just enough so you know that you're drinking a double IPA and not just a regular IPA. Yep. Definitely, woo! Still getting that strong hop character. It's definitely got a sharpness to it, a bite to it from the hops. Not necessarily bitterness though. Oh my goodness. It's good. This is exactly what I was looking for. Like I said, after drinking a lot of malty beers, stouts, porters, dark lagers over the winter, this is a nice change of pace. And this is a quality beer. I like the body. It's got a good body to go with the significant hop character. Very nice. I think the oats are coming through a little bit in the flavor. Very nice. The more I drink it, the more I'm acclimating to the hop character, and I'm not as much of a bite in the finish now. Still significant hop character in terms of flavor, but it's hitting the spot. All right, I'm giving this a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It's quality, nice body to it, wonderful hop character, lots of fruit flavors. I mean, getting them all. There's tropical fruit, there's citrus, there's pine. It's delicious. 4 out of 5 stars. Cheers.